Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the clip in the timeline. Make sure playback head is on the frame you want to adjust. Duplicate the clip or use an adjustment layer so you can revert changes quickly. Open the effects panel, search for invert or add lumetri color. Both work differently. Once added, you will see parameters in effect controls. This is where you make live changes. The reason we duplicate first is safety. It lets you compare before and after without destructive edits, and that keeps your project flexible. Once done adding the invert effect, you will see a checkbox or options for RGB or single channels. Choose RGB to flip all colors, or pick specific channels to fine-tune the look. If you prefer lumetri, invert using curves by swapping points diagonally on each RGB curve. This gives more control. Make sure to use masks and feathering when you want inversion only on a subject, and change blend mode or opacity to blend the effect naturally. These choices explain why you get either a stylized or subtle result. You finalize by rendering a preview and toggling the effect on and off to confirm the intended result. This checks motion artifacts and color shifts. Export a short test segment at full quality to inspect highlights and skin tones. These often reveal issues you miss in the timeline. If colors clip or look posterized, reduce effect opacity, tweak RGB curves, or lower saturation to restore detail. Troubleshooting tip: if inversion looks banded, add slight noise or use high bit depth export to avoid posterization in the final.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.